how to fix mic not working on PS5. So I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, go into the settings. Now here you want to scroll down until you see sound, select sound. From sound, leave it on the first tab, which is microphone. And for the input device, make sure you select the mic which you are trying to use. In our case, it's going to be the PS5 controller mic. Okay, so then select adjust microphone level, and here it's going to detect it if it's actually working. And you can also increase it by dragging this slider here to the left and right by pressing X. Okay, so once you have confirmed that this works, Microsoft status when logged in, make sure this is turned on. Okay, now what we can do is more technical. So here you want to make sure, well, this is not the technical part, but you want to make sure that this is not checked like this. As you can see, this mutes our mic, so it's not blinking or staying orange. And if you turn around your controller, you should see this hole in the back next to the Sony logo. Now you will need a paper clip or a tool which you use to take out your SIM cards of your iPhone or phone in general, and you want to put it in here and wait for 5 to 10 seconds. This is going to completely reset the controller, and if it was an issue with the software for the controller, then this is going to fix it and your mic is going to work again. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.